welcome back to Plain Simple Projects. Working on the action here like we showed you before. Got the back checks adjusted to where they're all calibrated. I think they're pretty close together. And so all the keys are working the way they're supposed to. We got this piece back here on this particular one fixed, so it now is riding the way it's supposed to. It's not getting stopped by that piece of felt that was down there. So we got that glued back together, used some hot glue on it, as you talked about. And now what we're doing is going through replacing these with essentially rubber donuts, so they look like that. So I've got to do that on every single one of these. So what I'm doing is the rubber donuts do screw on to the ends of these. You can see I have one here. But I'm using these squares on top to hold them in place just in case they do slip, but they are pretty tight. I think they'll be okay. So we're going to screw those on. So I just basically remove these. And the way I'm doing that is I'm taking, I had ordered a tool but it hasn't shown up, but I found out something that will work instead. It's actually just a ratchet end. This is the part that goes into a socket wrench, but it fits perfectly for these squares, so I can use it just to rotate them out and then put the new donut on and then rotate it back on, use it as a lock for that donut. So when you do that on all of these keys, so I'll be doing that for a little while here and getting those all set up before we put it back in the piano and reconnect the keys.